Hi everyone, I will show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. First of all, you need to open your chat. Now you want to see the message from your friend, but you don't want to show them. You can see these messages. First, you need to tap and hold the profile icon and swipe right, and you can see these messages from your friend without seeing notification like that.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.